guys, it's Ruby
and Cooper.
and in today's video we'll be doing
Squishies!
You guys know how much squishies can be expensive.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah, but I mean some can be kind of cheap, the homemade ones.
Yes.
So today we'll be teaching the RNC toy review way of making homemade squishies. And these aren't homemade, these are
Expensive
ones. So at the end we'll be reviewing them and seeing the difference. So what you'll need is some
slime, but make sure it's not the sticky kind.
Yeah, and make sure it's kind of hard. So
Yeah, and it can't like
stretchy.
Yeah, it kind of breaks like that.
Yeah.
And then you also need one plastic bag, one piece of paper for each squishy that you make,
Some tape and
a
stapler and scissors.
But that's all.
And
then
this
if
is just a really small stapler.
And if you want to color, you can, but
we
that's
have
optional.
A little blue marker.
Okay, so
We
first.
had a pencil. Do we have a pencil?
Pencil,
and a pencil just to
Okay.
make guidelines.
So first, you take your bag.
And you want to put your slime, well, you want to kind of like measure your slime on the...
And then you cut it out.
And then cut out how big you think you want your squishy to be.
But make sure it's both sides, not just one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will not work. So
I just measured mine,
go
so I'm
first.
going to use the scissors. And you also kind of want to make it bigger than you think, because...
Last time when I did this, I did it a little too small, and it did not work.
Yep.
Thank
This
you.
is mine, and then you just want to put your your slime inside of it.
It's not squishy yet.
Not a squishy. And you kind of want to roll it up in a ball. That's what I'm good. And I like to make square ones or rectangular
Okay, so
ones.
make sure to hit that like button though,
And subscribe. Turn on the notification bell.
and comment down below. What should the question of the day be? How about you give us an answer and of what your favorite color...
Have you ever made
What?
Have you
Favorite-
ever made a squishy before?
Have you ever made a
Homemade.
squishy?
Yeah.
Homemade squishy.
Have you ever made a homemade squishy?
I made mine perfect size.
That's pretty good. Mine is pretty good.
I think I might have to take out a little bit. Just a little bit for mine.
Yeah, you can always take out a little bit of slime.
To make it the perfect size.
Yeah.
But then
But your homemade squishies are always going
make
to
it
be...
one side, flip one side over to the next to cover it. See, I still have a little too much.
Yeah, I think mine's pretty good.
I think yours is fine.
You
But
kind of
mine-
just want to like...
See, and mine's
Press it
make it
down.
like a taco or something. You
This is
can
mine.
do whatever you want, like a
And we're
hot
using
dog.
the same slime.
Yeah, so there's not going to be a different turnout.
Different
So then
type of squish. Then you want to
staple.
staple it.
Start
So he can
stapling,
go first.
and then you tape over that. But okay, I'm still using a little too much.
Okay.
I'll go first. I'll go first.
And I don't think you need to staple this part. Well, see, it's already
Unless you do the
sealed.
corner. Well, if mine is not the corner, so
Yeah, his you'll have a little bit different instructions.
so
Yeah, do you guys like
you-
my hair? Kind of crazy though. In my next video, it's probably gonna be down and very, very curly.
so first you staple. I like to staple all around for safety, but that's up
So
to
it
you.
doesn't open and then
Oh,
go all over
look.
the carpet.
These are all purple.
Oh my gosh! They're like purple staples. That's so cool.
They're cute.
Instead of like a normal silver, we have like purple staples. That's pretty cool. Just a jazz.
Oh, and guys, before you start making these, you have to watch the video.
Yeah, make sure you watch the video fully, and then you can make your squishy. Maybe watch it
sorry
again
about-
and do it through.
Yeah. Sorry about the excess noise because we have brothers and
Yeah,
family, but
if there is any, probably is. And let's really hope that there's not a train outside. That's gonna be bad.
that'll be loud.
Yeah.
Tell us if you guys had school today, January the 4th, 2018.
We didn't, so that's why we wanted to make a video. If and it's not even really snowing outside,
Or
but they
cold.
cancel. Yeah, it's kind of cold.
No, I just rode
It
my
is,
bike over
though.
here and it was not that cold.
Yeah.
Oh, just so you know, we're not brothers and sisters. No.
No. If you think that we're lying, then comment down below, and we might give a shout out to one person that comments down below. Oh yeah, and thank you so much for 50 subscribers! Yay! We're so excited, and this is only like our 4th video, and we're so happy for 50 subscribers.
It's not even that much.
It's still not that much, but we still have 50, and that's very cool. Our goal for 2017 is to get at least
For
100.
2018, you mean?
2018 is to get at least 100.
And 50.
150. That means we got 100 more to go. It's okay. We can try to do it. Make sure to subscribe. Subscribe so we can get more subscribers.
But, so you keep on stapling all around it. Oh, that one didn't go in.
Oh no.
Oopsies.
It's okay.
I have to take out that excess.
I think I'm going to start taping mine. And
You can do either one first. It doesn't really matter,
Yeah.
so don't get like, oh my gosh, she's doing it wrong. But we've done this many times.
Yeah.
Okay. After
And
you're done
my little
stapling,
trick-
you have to tape.
I think I have a little idea for mine. Yeah, I have a big idea for mine.
What is it?
So after you get the squishy, you kind of want to like roll the excess stuff
I
over.
bet one of
and
ours
then
is going to become a fail.
Yeah.
That's what you
Even
should.
though it looks like slime right now.
Ew.
Promise.
That's why you put over this cover of paper.
Yeah.
See excess
Take
noise.
out a little bit of slime.
Okay.
And it's okay to start over, you know, that's just something everybody has to do sometimes in life. They have to start over, and we have to start over too. So our life is not perfect.
Mine is. Oh, just kidding. Yeah, but don't worry if it doesn't come out.
Okay, we've done this many times and we've failed many times.
More than we've made it. So, if this is a fail, it's still gonna be fun.
Yeah, it's still, you just want to have fun during the journey.
The journey.
So this is my squishy right now. And oh, I just noticed that we have a blue marker in this, and it kind of matches. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
But you won't see that.
Yeah, you won't see it. Where's the scissors? Where'd they go? And we also have blue scissors.
Yeah.
Oh, and we both have blue shirts on.
We're trying to match the theme of it.
We actually didn't even plan that.
It will look ugly at first, but just be patient and it will come out. See, look at it so far.
Okay, so this is pretty much what our squishy's gonna look like. Paper squishy.
I don't
Okay.
do it your way.
Yeah, we do it different ways.
So now for mine, see,
Now
You have
I'm
to
gonna
put
write
tape
on
over.
mine. I'm gonna write.
then I'm going to staple a couple more into it, make sure it's all good, so nothing comes out bad.
Can you guess what I'm writing? Nope. You can't look. The viewers have to guess. Don't tell them. See it?
Perfect, none of mine is coming out. Okay,
Oh no!
then I go like this. Ours are totally different. I make sure there's a little space between it. Then you flip the paper over to match the size. Then you cut. I need the scissors.
Oh.
The scissors. And then you cut right where that is.
So then after you put the paper on. Oh yeah, and it's RNC squishy.
It's gonna be mine's gonna be really squishy.
Yeah.
See, mine is like a taco right now.
It's like a taco.
But right then you have to add tape before you do staples. So I need tape.
You take some more. Oh, you can use my tape right now.
Oh, you can use mine.
Okay.
Here.
Switching tapes. The front fell off.
Okay.
Where did it go?
It wasn't on there.
Oh, okay. Then that doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Oh no, I think mine is leaking. Oh, it is.
Oh, no.
I'll just tape it there. That's okay. So it doesn't go out. If your slime starts to come out, just put tape over it.
Or you have to do the whole thing over again.
Yeah.
With the
If
new
it's
slime.
gushing like out like a lot. Okay. So we're going to end the video very, very soon because we don't want you guys sitting there for over like 13 minutes. So
15 and those high numbers. But yeah, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below
if you've ever made an RNC squishy.
Thank you for watching. Bye.